About Metro Hobbies. Situated in Melbourne, Metro Hobbies has been a foundation of the Australian hobby scene for over 40 years, helping enthusiasts of all ages enjoy everything awesome in the world of hobbies, from plastic model kits, model trains, slot cars, Gundam models, radio control, puzzles, tabletop gaming to hobby tools, paints, collectible models, and more. Wide range of products and services. Metro Hobbies boasts an extensive range of products both in-store and online. If a desired item is not in stock, our dedicated team will go above and beyond to source it from their suppliers' catalogs worldwide. Our competitive pricing, coupled with a store-wide price match policy, ensures customers always get the best deal backed up by the best knowledge. A rich history, established over for decades ago in Melbourne's eastern suburbs, Metro Hobbies, initially known as Metropolitan Model and Hobby Centre, quickly became a specialist in radio control cars. While radio control cars remain a prominent feature, our stores continue to showcase the latest from brands such as Tamiya, Lego, Hornby, Scalextric, Airfix, Revell, Games Workshop, and more. Expansion and collaboration. In April 2012, Metro Hobbies joined forces with Victorian Hobby Centre, an iconic establishment in the Melbourne CBD. Victorian Hobby Centre, originally located on Swanston Street, had been serving hobby enthusiasts for more than 40 years. The closure of the Swanston Street address led to the transfer of this extensive knowledge and passion to a new, larger location at 257 Burke Street. A passionate team, today, Metro Hobbies stands as one of the largest specialist hobby retail groups in Australia. Our goal is to provide exceptional customer service and technical knowledge. The staff, all keen hobbyists themselves, take pride in being a shop run by people who truly enjoy what they do. Community and expertise. Metro Hobbies encourages customers to seek advice for their hobbies, promising to guide them in the right direction to enhance their hobby experience. The store's commitment to the hobby community and its extensive range of products and services make it a beloved destination for hobby enthusiasts across Australia. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.